let me be honest with you for a second. If you've ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month and thought, wait, where did my money actually go? Yeah, this video is for you. Because here's the thing, a lot of the stuff we were taught was smart spending ain't really that smart anymore. The world changed, prices changed, and the math changed. But our habits, they stayed stuck in 2012. Alright, look, it's your boy Donald. I'm just a regular dude trying to make sense of this money game the same way you are. No fancy jargon, no guru nonsense, just real conversations like we're sitting on the couch after work with our shoes off. If you're tired of watching your paycheck disappear faster than your weekend, yeah, you're in the right place. Let's break down 5 things that used to make sense, but are absolutely not worth your money in 2025. 1. Bulk groceries. Yep, it's not saving you money anymore. Look, everyone thinks buying in bulk is the responsible adult thing to do. But here's what most people don't realize. According to USDA data, the average household wastes 31% of groceries every month. 31. That's basically like throwing $140 straight into the trash, quietly, consistently. And psychologically, buying more tricks your brain into consuming more. It feels cheap, so you use it without thinking. If you're not a family of 6, bulk buying is a trap. Buy less, save more. 2. Monthly subscription bundles. You know the drill. Just $6.99 a month. Bundle and save. Now here's the interesting part. Most people think they're paying for convenience, but the average user only uses 2 out of 7 subscriptions they're paying for. That's $500 plus a year burned on autopilot. Now you might be thinking, but Donald, I might use it. No, you won't. If it hasn't added value in 90 days, it's not a subscription. It's a donation. 4. Airbnb as a cheap alternative. Airbnb used to be the hack until cleaning fees became a second rent. In many cities, hotels are now 23% cheaper on average after fees. Here's what most people don't realize. You're paying more for more work. Clean the dishes, take out the trash, send a selfie to prove you checked out. You're basically an unpaid maid and a paying guest. 5. Anything you buy because it's on sale. Here's where it gets really interesting. You don't save money by buying something at 40% off. You save money by not buying something you didn't need in the first place. The psychology? Your brain sees sale and feels like it's losing money by not buying it. Retailers know that. That's why the average shopper spends 18% more during sales. Listen, the people who win with money aren't always the ones who earn more. They're the ones who close the leaks early. Audit your spending. Question every habit your parents told you was smart. Make choices that match today's economy, not yesterday's rules. You fix these 5 things, and without earning $1 more, you'll feel richer, fast.